another episode of Obsessed Designs.
I am Princess Masong. I am an architect and the CEO of Masong Architectural Services. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Cess, and I'm obsessed with designs.
For today's episode, we are here at 38 Park, here at IT Park Lahug, Cebu City. This unit that I am about to show you is the biggest and the most elegant unit that we have designed and fitted out so far. So the unit that I am about to show you is a 142 square meter condominium unit that is a 3-bedroom condominium unit that is complete with a living, dining, kitchen, storage, even with balcony, and 3 bathrooms. So the concept for this project is dark, moody, and elegant. So done with all the talking, I think I will just show you. Come with me. Let's go. All right, so we are here at the entrance part of this unit, and as you can see, we have here an accent wall. So this is the storage area, which we didn't do anything here, so I will not be showing that to you. It's basically just a storage for anything and everything that they need, since this unit is a rental unit, so probably their luggages will be placed here. So we have here an outlet for this lights over here and this LED strip lights also. So this accent wall is what made this hallway very interesting. So as you can see, we have here a Latin walnut laminated marine plywood with lattice work, which is made out of WPC, and under it we provided LED strip lighting so that it accents the wall along with the plane and the play of the textures. As you can see, we have a plain wall here and a WPC lattice work over here. So let's go to the bathroom. So the reason we have this concept is, honestly, we are so tired of doing WPC, which our clients really do like, most of our clients. So we have this wall in all of our projects. Not all, but most of our projects, we do this wall. But since, again, we were a little bit getting tired of this look, so that's why we made it more interesting by putting up a double walling. So a mixture of textures over here with the accent lighting. So that's what we did here. So let's go to the bathroom. So this is the powder room. So here in the powder room, we have this lavatory vanity area. This medicine closet is like that. So we have this mirror and shelving unit, and then we also have the original toilet and the original lavatory, and then the shower is also original, but we provided this glass. So this is the shower glass partition, and then this towel rack as well. So we actually changed most of the outlets to match the whole feel of the unit. So right now we have grays and white, grays and white outlets. So let's proceed to the bedrooms. So this is bedroom 1. They originally have this closet space already, so this cabinets as well. So we didn't change any of these, but we provided this full glass mirror and this accent wall as well. So let's go to the bed area. So as you can see, again, to make the design as flowy as possible, so we have the same design elements in the bedroom as well. So we have the WPC and the plain wall with the LED strip lighting. And then we have this custom bed, which we provided closet as well. This is a little bit of storage actually. So we made use of the little space that we have at the back. So we provided them with shelving units and then also open niche so that they can put their phones, and also we provided LED strip light there so that if they're already sleeping, or if you are interested also, this unit is actually a rental unit, so I will be providing the details later. So we have the LED strip light as accent light to put up a mood lighting at night, and then we have the switches out here. So this one is for the under the table, and then this one is for over the table, and then this one is for the strip light at the back, and this one is this one there. at the top. So the reason we really intentionally put outlets and switches in areas where the bed is because we don't want the renters or the users of the unit to stand up to put out the lights. So it's a very convenient way. So this is also what we provided. This is a study area or office desk. So those who will be renting here can also be doing their work, especially that most of the people now are working from home. So we provided drawers and shelving unit for books and other stuff. And then also the air conditioning remote control is also here at the side. And then we also provided outlets here for their cell phones so that they can charge them, and also laptops. So it's all here. And then we also did not waste any space. So above it, even though it's a little bit hard to reach already, but if you have items that you want to just place there, like store, so you can do so. They have this balcony, but this is actually where we place the condensers here for both bedrooms. The other bedroom I will be showing you later. So we actually provided all the appliances also here. Not provided, but we bought the appliances and we are the ones who installed them also. We also installed blinds and all the decors that you see in the unit. So let's go to the other room. So here is bedroom 2. So same design, same layout, except that it has this exceptional view of the city of Cebu. So 90 degrees view. And they originally have this blue powder coat color in the windows. So we intentionally provided a few decors with those colors as well. So as you can see here in our basket, in our pillows, so that's what we did also here. So that's the original cabinet, and the rest is what we provided. So the bed frame, the bed itself, the blinds, and of course storages. It wouldn't be a Masong Architectural Services design if it's not maximized to its full potential. So we also have this workstation, table, overhead cabinets, shelving units, basically the same as the other room. They also have this original cabinet. We didn't touch any of it, but we provided the blinds. So let me show you the other spaces. Let's go. So adjacent to the 2 rooms, we have this bathroom. So this is a toilet and bath, and it has the same view. But of course, we provided the blinds so that when you're showering here, you don't see anyone outside, or anyone outside won't see you as well. We provided this vanity cabinet, same as the room on the other side. We also have shelving unit, toilet, lavatory, and then the shower is actually on the back of this door. All right, let me show you the other spaces. So now we're here in the kitchen. So 38 Park actually provided this island kitchen, and what we did is we changed the cabinetry. So this part here was not originally this color, so to match the rest of the space, so we intentionally changed it to this also. And then we have this under cabinets. And then what we did here is also the lower cabinets. The upper cabinets were originally provided by 38 Park. So we also provided them this range hood, all the appliances that you see, outlets, and backsplash. And then what's very nice here is that they really thought of how the users of this unit will be using this space. So they also provided a storage/pantry. So here in the storage pantry, we also use this as our utility. So as you can see, we provided a washing machine here. And then since this is a condo unit and we don't have much space to put the clothes like after washing, so we provided them this hanging rod as well. And then all these storages for their disposal, like drawers. And then they also have a bathroom here. Actually, a small toilet. changed the door to sliding door, since originally this was a swing door and it really takes up space. You know, if the door swings in or out, it takes up space. So since this is a very tiny space or room, so what we did is we changed it to sliding door. So now we're going to the living area. So the living and the dining space is one open area. So as you can see in my background, we have the dining and the living space. So this is the dining area with an 8-seater table. And then the 2 chairs that you see in the bedrooms where the offices are, that could be placed also here at your end where you are and also at my end. So this table can accommodate up to 8 people. And aside from that, we also have in the kitchen where the island is, we also provided bar stools. So this is the breakfast nook. We provided here 3 bar stools so that you will be able to interact with the ones who are doing the dishes, doing the cooking. So that's the intention. And then here we have the very special thing that we did here is the ceiling. So as you can see, aside from the walls, the accent walls, we also did the ceiling the same way. So we have this curved thing with the cove lightings and layers of protruded elements. So we have the square and the curved part of the ceiling. So the same goes with the dining and the living area, which we provided different type of lighting fixtures. For the dining area, we have the chandelier, this very modern chandelier. And for the living area, since we need to maximize the ventilation of the space, since this is a condo unit, so we provided them a ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is actually huge, and that's what we have here. And it actually really helps the temperature lower down since the space has most of the windows in glass. So it's really quite hot in this unit, but with the help of the air conditioning units and the ceiling fan, it actually lowers down the temperature of the space. So this one, we also provided the sofa. This is from our home. This is a very huge sofa, which we really chose intentionally to match the wide TV wall that we have here as well. So the TV wall has the same design of the other accent walls, combining the WPC and the plain Latin walnut, laminated marine plywood. So we also have the strip lights and then some storages as well for this space here. So we have drawers. And then this 65 inches television has its own outlet at the back, so it doesn't show. So that is the power of really customizing a space. When you have designers doing it for you, then you wouldn't think about the wires that are running up and down, and then layers of the lightings and the arrangement of the space as well. So it's really important to stage your space, especially if you are doing Airbnb or rentals. So it's really important to have it staged by professionals so that it's well planned and also well arranged and decorated. The market right now is very competitive. Your unit has to stand out. So if you're interested in our services, do email us at masongarservices@gmail.com. So let's proceed to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We have here a king-size bed and a wall design, or the accent wall design for the headboard and also for the TV wall. So this is a 50-inch television. And we have in the bed, we also have a his and hers side table. By the way, all of our custom bed also has storages under. So I wasn't able to show you with the other rooms, but has storage there and also in the side tables. And then, as always, we have outlets and switches on the side of the bed so that it's easier to access. So we have outlets here. We also have the air conditioning unit remote. These outlets are for side lamps here and the LED strip light. These lights over here as well. So on the other side, the TV wall, we have this huge vanity area. So we have this ottoman, storages. So if you want to do your makeup, you can do it here. And also, this is also a space where you can do your work, or if you are studying, so you can do that as well. And then this is the original walk-in closet. So again, the design of the accent wall, the same as the rest of the space. And then this floating console. So we also did this along with the storage, open storage, and the drawers. So this is originally done by 38 Park. So this is a walk-in closet. We didn't change any of that, but we provided this switch. So we changed that. And then this is their bathroom. So let's go in. So this is their bathroom. The same layout and the same design that we did with the other bathrooms. So we have shelving units here. We also provided LED strip lights to accent the shelves. And then we provided these decors, and then this vanity mirror, and the original lavatory. So we also changed out the faucet. So this is not the original faucet anymore. So just to tie up with the whole design of the unit. Yeah, small details like that really matters. I forgot to share about the balcony. A balcony space right here. So we provided this seating set. And then as you can see here, the view is really great. So that's the end of the tour. I hope you like the transformation of this space. If you did, please do comment down which part of the transformation is your favorite. By the way, this unit is up for rent. So we'll be putting up the link in the description below for the Airbnb link. And we also would like to thank Delmar Properties for referring us to the client of this project. And we are also linking their profile in the description below. For those who wants a guide to the complex world of architecture, please do join us in the exclusive group of Startup Architects in Facebook. Just search for Startup Architects in Facebook and click join. So all these wouldn't be possible if not for the Masong Architectural Services team. So thank you so much to all our suppliers, our workers, our design team. So if you're interested in our services, please do email us at masongarservices@gmail.com. You can also find our portfolio in our Facebook page, which is Masong Architectural Services. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!